from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Vauxhall Zafira here. It's a 2016 plate, and what I'm doing is I'm doing a stop lamp on this side here. At the same time, you know, we've got to remove the whole cluster. If you ever wanted to do any other bulbs, you can do them at the same time as well. If you're looking for a bulb, it's a 382 bulb, which can be found in the description. What I've done with this one, the bulb wasn't working, so I removed the cluster, checked the bulb out. I knew which one it was, so I'll taking the bulb out, put everything back together. So when I do remove it, you might find there's no bulb in the bulb holder, but do not panic, because I've got it in my hand. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it's done. First thing first, I'm going to get rid of the brake lights. Second thing, all I'm going to do is open the boot. There you go, come forward a little bit please. So you do need a flat screwdriver. So if you wedge your screwdriver right at the top there and gently pull the clip out. That's one. And then you've got this one here. This one's going to come out all the way because the pin is broken or is missing. Now all I now do is get a Phillips screwdriver. There's a screw right in there, as you can see, and then there's one on the bottom. Now just remember, when you do take the screw out, just do not drop it. If you like I just did, but luckily it's in the workshop so I can pick it up. But if you're working, that's a good example. If you're working on the roadside near the drainage and you drop the screw, you ain't gonna find it. That's the second one. Now on the inside here, if I want to do, I'll pull the cluster, wiggle, pull it out towards me. This is the lug right here, and it slots in there. So I've taken that out. Now you can replace other bulbs like I said to you. If I take this one out, this one here is an indicator bulb, as you can see right there. And just remember the seal as well, so we'll put it back on. That's the position lamp bulb, which is a 501. Put that back in there as well. And this is the stop lamp. Now the bulb is missing like I said to you, but just remember the rubber seal. Now it is a 382 bulb. If you did want one, you can look in the description, the link for it as well, where to get it. Just going to put it back together, put it on, that's in, I slot it in, and job done. Now I slide it through the little pinhole right there, and that's it. So I'm going to put it back together now. Just going to grab that screw that I dropped. Here it is. So slot the first one in. All you got to do is nip it up, don't go too mad on it. That's nicely done. And the second one dropped again. Another good thing. Slot it in and then screw it. Put the clip back on, get the bottom one in. That's job done. So we're just going to check, make sure they're working now. As you can see, that there is working, that there is working as well. That's all it is on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. And don't forget to like and share if you found this useful. Just share it with other people if you know anyone that's got a Vauxhall Zafira. There is a playlist for Vauxhalls as well. They're also known as Opel. So, you know, if you want to check out other stuff like pressure reset, you know, service reset, you can check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you, and goodbye.